but initially, if you look up there, you're going to see just a little. To get to a structure with a second story and await and ride out the rest of the
This is Jorge Rivera with FirstCoast.tv. As you see, this is one of the culprits behind me why we don't have power in so many parts of not just St. Johns County, but also the city of St. Augustine and the whole state of Florida, and Georgia is having problems too. Trees like these that are about to fall, and then trees that are already in the lines. It's like 90 degrees out right now, very hot, very bright. I'm wearing my shades. And I feel sorry for the people who don't have air conditioning and are still staying in their homes. You can hear the generators behind me through the neighborhood. And people are getting frustrated at it as many days go by without power, including myself. I live on this street and there is no power. So as you can see here more, we're walking a little further down. This is what you see everywhere. And the streets everywhere have just tree galore, pieces of tree everywhere. All right, you can see Villano on the background. They took a beating in this storm again. Davis Shore took a beating again. So in less than a year, because it's only been 11 months since Matthew, we've been hit by the storm. So by the pictures you're seeing here, you see how the city was impacted. There's the federal government's trying to help us out, the state's trying to help us out, the county's trying to help us out, and we have organizations. Today I talked with this group.
31 inches, and so we're taking it up so they can put a piece of drywall in there, a new one.
Now, is this your home?
No,
okay.
It's not. The homeowner is in here. So.
Okay.
So we're just
helping out
with the organization helping. So.
Okay, so right here where I still have some light, come a little closer, both of you. Tell me a little bit about the organization. Stay right there.
So there's a website called crisiscleanup.org. There's also a toll-free number, 451-1954. And we've got the Mormon Helping Hands, and there's like 60-something other organizations also who are using this throughout Florida. We have thousands of volunteers. We'll be out for several weeks now.
It's all free too.
Completely free, voluntary.
All right. Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look a little more at the damage here. Oh wow. Well, here's the youngest of the helpers. There it is. That's what I like, young helpers. That's it.
This was a home that was built in 1801.
1801, this home right here.
And
Wow.
this is all coquina walls inside of the drywall here.
Oh,
so
wow.
historic home.
Look at the kitchen here. Yeah, this is a story, sadly, all around in the whole state. So as you can see, I think the people I've ran into are in a very good mood, considering the situation we're in. A lot of things were canceled last week. A lot of things are being canceled this week. I believe, as far as I know, the Sing Out Loud Festival is going to start on Friday. The Corazon was planning to open on Saturday or Friday. I believe the Lightner was going to try to open on Saturday or Sunday. So everyone's rushing to try to get back to normal. But the frustration, of course, is so many parts of the city that don't have light. And it's because the wind actually made chaos out of the electric lines with all the trees in them. So this is Jorge Rivera reporting for FirstCoast.tv and wishing everybody the best, and keep up the good work.